Tiny houses need a pump tank alarm septic system to avoid backups and protect limited space and fixtures. A proper pump tank alarm septic system for a tiny house starts with a tank sized for the household flow and a pump chosen for the expected head in gallons per minute. Use a simplex pump for single household needs and consider a small duplex pump when you want true redundancy so one pump can fail while the other continues to operate. Fit the tank with high and low float switches set at distinct levels so the pump cycles properly and the alarm trips before sewage reaches critical levels. Wire floats so the alarm activates on high and also indicates loss of pump function. Install an audible alarm panel located in an accessible indoor spot and add a remote alert option that sends text or phone notifications so you are warned when you are away. Provide onboard battery backup for the alarm and either a dedicated small sealed lead-acid battery or a solar trickle charging system sized to maintain that battery through several days without sun. Finally, set a preventative maintenance schedule for visual inspection, float cleaning, pump cycling tests, and yearly pump performance checks so issues are caught before backups occur. Common mistakes include using floats set too close together, which causes rapid cycling and premature pump wear, so space the switch points to allow a normal runtime and reduce short cycling. Another frequent problem is relying only on mains power for the alarm and pump control, which fails during outages. So add a battery backup for the alarm at minimum and consider solar charging or a battery for control circuits when power instability is an issue. People also skip routine maintenance and then discover stuck floats or clogging during an emergency, so write a maintenance checklist, mark calendar reminders for quarterly checks, and document pump runtimes to spot trends. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and post project details so you can compare options for a tiny house pump tank, alarm septic system, and ask questions in our discussion community. We also help contractors find work by matching their services to homeowner project posts and letting them participate in community discussions to demonstrate practical expertise.